Hello. Too pretty. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Yay. I'm good. Always good. Hello. Welcome to Bali.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Kuta Bali on Poppies Lane Kuta. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just keep in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, hi today. Yeah, I'll be up fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the session at the moment in Kuta Bali. Ini itu juga. Hah? Oh, saya kira itu juga. Oke ya. Poppies 2. Itu dah. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Kuta Bali on Poppies Lane Kuta. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just make sure watch the video until the end. And over to today start from ground zero area. Let me show you around here. Yeah. This is ground zero. Wow. Indian people. Okay. Today I will make video on Poppies Lane Kuta. So let's see together how busy over there today. Hello. Too pretty. This is my wife number 2. My wife number 3. So beautiful. Okay, have a good day. Yeah, thank you. And today I will make video at Poppies Lane Kuta. Let's see together how busy over there today. For in this restaurant, quite busy. That's good. Welcome to Poppies Lane Kuta. Small road but busy. Okay, let me show you how busy Poppies Lane Kuta today. Around a week ago, I made video in this area by motorbike. But today I will make video by walking tour. We hope together we will see a lot of tourists at Poppies Lane Kuta today. Wow. Bagus pub at the left side. How busy over there? Wow. So quiet. What's happening here? Why so quiet? Hi boss. Sepi boss. Mag-grima friend. Mag-grima. Hi boss ya? Wow, bagus pub still not so busy yet. Maybe soon. This is Gang Ronta, the way to go to Poppies Lane 1. Okay. Let's keep continue walking at Poppies Lane Kuta. Wow. Zero. So quiet. What's happening here? Wow. No. What time is this now? Why so empty? Why so quiet? No, it's almost 5 p.m. Already so quiet. Actually, right now, I mean, like, it's good timing for shopping, but so quiet in this area. Really sad, isn't it? Okay, guys, let's enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area. Korean restaurant. Rame ba? Rame? It's very quiet everywhere. Just so quiet. Wow, so sad. Hello. Huh? So again? Yeah, we hope together. Back soon. Wow. Really empty in this area. Just so sad. Poppies Kitchen and Bar. Oh, futurists over there is good. Hello, welcome to Bali.
Yay!
I'm good, always good. Yeah. Yeah, wow.
Poppies.
Poppies, yeah. Is your new manager or?
Yeah. New manager.
Oh, yeah, last time
Same
was.
old mate.
Right, good. Okay, yeah, we hope to get getting busy again
Yeah,
soon.
good day, eh?
You too,
Come to
thank you
bar,
very
look,
much.
Street empty. We need people here. Come here.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm
The
entertaining
Legian area in Kuta was very quiet now, so sad. Okay, yeah?
Okay.
Thank
She's got
you.
too many clothes in the shop over there. Needs more sale.
Thank you very much. Wow. As he said, wow, so quiet at Poppies Lane too. Not like normally. Normally busy here. Maybe across the street, a lot of tourists in this area. Borjus. Wow. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Borjus. Wow. Loud music. Music is quite strong. Loud music over there. And this is Grand Baron. Grand Baron Resort. The Legian Resort at Poppies Lane too. Grand Baron. Wow. How come so quiet? This is Buenos Aires Street. Over there. Few tourists but not really busy. Really sad. Oh. Wow. Empty. Ibu Ketut. I think he's sleeping there. Wow. A lot of motorbikes, no cars, and no tourists. Really sad, really quiet, as not usually. Yeah, I will walking further up. Maybe more tourists over there. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow, so quiet in this area, really sad. Only few tourists. Okay guys, so this is our during today in Kuta Bali on Poppies Lane 2. So what do you think? It's very quiet, isn't it? Really sad. Okay guys, If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali at Poppies Lane 2. And don't forget to the bell because I will always update the news station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Wow, so hard. Very good. Hello, welcome to Bali. This is my wife number 3. Sepi mbak ya? Kok tumben sepi sekali ya? It's very quiet, really sad. Oke, terima kasih. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Wow. So quiet, so sad, so empty.
Bagay itu bangun langit.
Wow. Still not so busy yet. Oh, sorry. Grand Barong.